All right, now, we talked about conditional discharge, that's for drugs. Now we're going to talk about conditional dismissal at the municipal court level. What is a conditional dismissal? Let's say you watched our video before on simple assault where you saw me slap someone, okay? I get arrested, I get charged with simple assault. I think I've got a good case, you know, I want to go to trial, but I really don't want to take a risk either because I don't want to get a conviction. I have a clean record, all right? I'm eligible for a conditional dismissal, and I don't want to plead guilty either because I don't feel what I did was a crime. I was defending myself or I felt provoked, and that's why I slapped a person. So a conditional dismissal, it's a 1-year probationary program in New Jersey, at the end of which you walk away with a clean record. So how does it work? If you're charged, like I said, with simple assault, you could say, all right, you know what? I want this to be over with. I'm going to go up in front of the judge with my defense attorney, and I'm going to say, yes, on such and such a day, in this jurisdiction, I slapped so-and-so. And then your attorney, which is one of us, we make an application for conditional dismissal. The judge accepts your plea and then puts you in this program for 1 year. At the end of 1 year, boom, it's like it never happened. Your record is clean. The other option you have is you can take your matter to trial. This is the really cool thing. If you have a case that's on the fence, so the evidence against you is weak, and you have a good defense, like a self-defense, and you want to go to trial, then we go. We show the judge all the evidence. The prosecutor shows the judge all the evidence. If at the end of trial, the judge says, you know what, I think you did this, I find you guilty, we can still make application for the conditional dismissal, and you go on this probation for 1 year, at the end of which, again, you walk away with a clean record. Now, there is one exception, there's one catch you need to know. If your underlying criminal charge comes out of a domestic violence situation. So let's say you and your husband got into a heated argument and either he scratched you or you scratched him or you slapped him or he slapped you, whatever. Then if it comes out of domestic violence, if it arises out of a domestic violence situation, you cannot use the conditional dismissal. So I'm sure you have questions. Our information is at the bottom. It's also at the top. We offer free consultations. We love what we do. We would love to have you come in and tell us your side of the story and answer any questions you have. God bless you.